Hello, my name is Janika, and I'm from Europe, from Estonia, and I'm from a cleaning, training, and consulting company called Puhastusexpert. And what advice would I give to someone who is just starting their sustainability journey? Is that sustainability can be quite a big topic at first, but you don't have to invent the wheel by yourself. So please do cooperation with some consulting company, or just ask advice that someone can be your coach on this journey. So you don't have to change all the things at once, but you have to start from somewhere. Maybe from small steps, but in this journey it's way more easier if you have someone outside of your company who can give you advice and who can keep you accountable on your activities. Even if you're making small steps, don't assume that you will see the results right away. It takes time, but if you're doing them on a daily basis, the results will come. What tip I can share on your journey is that on cleaning, first step is to realize why you are doing these activities. And the really big advice is that please stop using spraying bottles, because they are really harmful for cleaners' health, for environment, and actually you're consuming a lot of more cleaning agents if you're using spraying bottles. So instead of using spraying bottles, you can use moistening bottles, and that can reduce your cleaning agent consumption at least 80%.